Hey, to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on the Galaxy M34 5G, first go to the settings. From here, go to the connections. Now go into the mobile hotspot and the tethering, and then tap on the switcher to turn it on, and click to turn off. And it means that right now we are going to turn off the Wi-Fi, and we are going to share the internet with our mobile data. Then tap right here to configure, and first of all we can rename the network name. Then we can change the password and the band. When you click to configure, you can actually change all of the settings by tapping just right here. You can also go for the more advanced options. So we can set the broadcast channel, set mobile data limit, turn off when there's no connected devices. And we can also hidden this network. And we can click save to confirm. And we can also turn on and off the automatic hotspot. So we can, for example, get the family sharing, and we can also see who is actually connected to our network by looking right here. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.